signal was detected with stations headed
11:31 a.m. on a Tuesday.
dangerous weather situations. Special build receivers can be automatically activated by the signal and warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m.
Shut up, 250.
If there is the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location.
Distant FM stations that relay the
Noticeably at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio station: Boone, Clay,
I know 1047 used to.
Lincoln, Mason, Nicholas, Raleigh, Long.
Yeah, I think it was going to be today or tomorrow, but I'm surprised they did it at 11:30. They typically had like 11 sharp.